Hey guys, welcome back. This is the new RC car I'm making, and since I got my new Ender 3, which you guys could see on my channel, I printed tub chassis, and I used this front end from a different vehicle on Thingiverse that I printed, and this filament, which I didn't know before, actually glows in the dark, so. And I salvaged a transmission and tires from an old Radio Shack RC car from the 80s, which broke down a long time ago. And I salvaged it, put the servo in with the new wheels, and there's bearings inside there. Yeah, good stuff. Got an ESC from the boat, which kind of broke down, so I just used that. I'm going to get a new one for the boat, probably a brushless system anyway. I got a receiver, had tons of those, got tons of these batteries, 9.6 volts, 1 amps, nickel metal hydrides. I also got my Red Cat battery too, this one that I use, and I made a banana plug connector with the Tamiya connector, or I forget what the other name for it is, but I'm going to use that in here too, but I'm just going to use the 9.6 for now. It's got high and low gear. This thing is fast. I originally had this on some toy grade chassis, and this thing really flew. But with the new 3D printed chassis, it's a lot harder. It still flexes a little, which is what I want, because I don't want it to just, snap instantly, but I want it hard enough to where it's not going to break if I hit something. 20% infill on both of these. As you can hear in the background, I'm actually printing the bracket for the back on my Ender 3, so that's good. And I'm going to be putting some shocks on here too. Not the front, it's a solid front axle, but I'm going to be using these shocks, which are pretty soft. And I'm printing the bracket that goes on here, and connect back here about, well, if this battery gets pushed up a little, how about that? It'll come across right here, and then over here, connect on these little pins, and then I'm going to put a shock here and figure that out. But that way for the next video, hopefully it was running, I finally finished the WPL and its lovely drive shafts. What I had to do was I had to drill little grooves inside the shaft here with my Dremel, and the grub screw in, and then I put super glue in there, adhesive. I use it for, well, I got it from the dollar store. It's like a liquid, it's clear. So then that seems to be holding on pretty well. But it takes about 24 hours to dry, and it's almost there. In about another hour it should be done, and I'll test that. Might have 2 videos up today, so that's that. So yeah, that's it for today, but it's looking pretty good.